Beauty is a subjective concept that has been a topic of discussion among philosophers, artists, and scientists for centuries. While the concept of beauty may be subjective, studies have shown that there are certain features that the human brain tends to identify as beautiful. This video will discuss how the human brain identifies beauty, including the role of evolution, culture, and biology. One way that the human brain identifies beauty is through evolutionary factors. According to evolutionary psychologists, humans are wired to find certain traits attractive because they signal good genetic quality and fertility. For example, symmetrical faces, clear skin, and a well-proportioned body are all features that are associated with good health and reproductive success. As a result, these traits are often seen as beautiful by many people. However, while evolutionary factors play a role in identifying beauty, cultural factors also influence how the human brain perceives beauty. What is considered beautiful in one culture may not be considered beautiful in another. For example, in some cultures, a fuller figure is considered beautiful, while in others, a slimmer figure is preferred. Similarly, in some cultures, long hair is seen as beautiful, while in others, short hair is preferred. These cultural differences in beauty standards suggest that the human brain's perception of beauty is not solely determined by biology and evolution. Moreover, the human brain's perception of beauty is also influenced by biology. Studies have shown that certain areas of the brain are activated when people view beautiful things, such as works of art or attractive faces. These areas include the medial prefrontal cortex, which is involved in the processing of reward and emotion, and the insula, which is involved in the processing of sensory information. These findings suggest that the brain's perception of beauty is linked to our emotional and sensory responses. Furthermore, the human brain's ability to identify beauty may also be influenced by experience and personal preference. For example, someone who has grown up around a lot of art may have a greater appreciation for different forms of beauty than someone who has not. Similarly, personal experiences and preferences can influence how someone perceives beauty. Someone who has a personal connection to a particular landscape or type of music may find it more beautiful than someone who does not. In conclusion, the human brain's perception of beauty is complex and influenced by a variety of factors, including evolutionary factors, culture, biology, experience, and personal preference. While certain traits may be universally seen as beautiful, such as symmetrical faces and clear skin, cultural differences in beauty standards suggest that the human brain's perception of beauty is not solely determined by biology and evolution. Therefore, beauty is ultimately in the eye of the beholder and influenced by a multitude of factors that make each individual's perception unique.